In this video, we're going to talk about 1.3 Objective 1, where we answer conceptual questions involving trigonometric functions and their inverses. So let's go ahead and get started. Sine here, we're going to use our SOHCAHTOA definitions here. SOHCAHTOA. So our sine is our opposite side divided by our hypotenuse. Cosine is our adjacent side divided by our hypotenuse. Our tangent is our opposite side divided by our adjacent side. We're normally just going to talk about this being theta, this being x, this being y, and this being r. So this is going to be y over r. This is going to be x over r. This is going to be y over x. Cotangent is going to be the adjacent side over the opposite side. So that would be the same thing as x over y. The secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so it's the hypotenuse over the adjacent side, which is the same thing as r over x. And the cosecant is the same thing as the reciprocal of sine, which is the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side, which is r over y. This was sine is opposite over hypotenuse, then cosine was adjacent over hypotenuse, then tangent was opposite over adjacent, cotangent was adjacent over opposite, secant was hypotenuse over adjacent, and cosecant was hypotenuse over opposite. Explain how the radian measure of an angle is determined. The radian measure of an angle theta is the length of an arc S on the unit circle associated with theta. So let's see. Let's look at our arc length formula where S equals R theta, where theta is in radians. And they're saying that if R equals 1, which is my unit circle, then S equals theta, where theta is in radians. So that's really what that question is about. All right. Explain what is meant by the period of a trigonometric function. What are the periods of the 6 trigonometric functions? So the period of a trigonometric function is the smallest positive real number, such that f of x plus p, where p is the period, is equal to f of x for all x's in the domain. So that's C. And most of the periods here will be 2 pi radians. So cosine has a period of 2 pi. Sine has a period of 2 pi. Cosecant, which is the reciprocal of sine, has a period of 2 pi. Secant, which is the reciprocal of cosine, has a period of 2 pi. Tangent and cotangent, though, because they're related to the slope of a line, are going to be only pi radians because there's pi radians in a line. So those two are different. Now, what are the 3 Pythagorean identities for trigonometric functions? They are sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared, and 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant squared. So that's C. And finally here, where is the tangent function undefined? That would be at odd multiples of pi over 2. So that's D. All right, that's it for this video, and we'll come back next time and talk about 1.3 objective 2. See you for the next video.